Okay guys, so today I'm fixing a stainless steel microwave model number NN-SD277S. I took connector from here, connector from here, connector from here, connector from here, so that way I can, I guess connector from here, so I can remove the, and find the fuse, my culprit. So before you guys can actually remove this panel on the side, you'll have to do two things, right? Obviously you see there's two screws in here. So those screws go on the chassis right here. But before you guys do that, you gotta make sure that you remove these three screws that goes on top of the microwave facade. That goes right here, okay? So you can see there's a little lip in this mask, and then you will see that there are one screw here which is already broken, so you know, long time usage, one in the middle and one under. So basically you will find a lot of junk and a lot of gunk when you're trying to remove this thing in the microwave. Either you can clean it up and replace it. Depends, up to you, right? The most important thing is where to find the freaking fuse. It took me about 15 minutes to figure it out because I got to look everywhere, couldn't find it. So you see a whole bunch of wires in here. It tells you that the fuse, it's 20 amps, so that's a good thing. So I went to Reliable Parts here in this part of town. I bought a 20 amps fuse for $3.15. So where is the goddamn fuse? It's located in this little carrier. I obviously disconnect the power. Do not do any electronics with live wire power. So it was just sitting right here, like so. So how do I come to the conclusion? You know, I came out with the basic of electrical things. You look for your wire, your white, you look for your ground wire, and then you look for your black wire, which is your hot. So the hot was connecting here and connecting here, so it's like, what the hell, right? So then I figured that this one is like a clip-on thing, and sure enough it was. And I flipped the thing and I found the fuse. So I went, as I said, got me a fuse, 20 amps. And now I'm going to replace it, and once I replace it, I'm going to start putting the parts together. So I'm going to post this video shortly, so hopefully help somebody else to deal with issues with a microwave. Obviously, if the microwave is still on, if the electrical panel is still giving you some information, right? In this case, my panel was completely dead, so that's what I automatically figured as a fuse. But if you have lights in here, then you're going to run into more serious issues, like the more famous magnetron, and that is over $100 in repair. So that's something that you don't want to run into. Might as well just buy a new microwave, especially because you got so much gunk running around it. You know, the gunk is sticking to the electronics itself right here as well. Especially in my case, the dial. The selecting minutes and seconds dial for me is kind of, you know, dying on. It actuates and sometimes it doesn't work. Anyway, so fuse on right here, very simple. Put it on. You know, do not have the power connected to the wall, please. And then put it back in here. Insert it with a bit of pressure. Hard to do everything with one hand. There you go. Off it goes. So now the only other thing I have to do is connect 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They're all, you know, color coded. I took a picture just in case I screwed up, and then I'm gonna film a video after this and see and tell you if it works or not. See you soon.